it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. Alright, today we're talking about the High Roller Lady Luck Estee Lauder collections that they just came out with. They're absolutely gorgeous, perfect for Christmas. And so let's test some of them out and I'll let you know what I think. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. First and foremost, if you're already subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you so very much. And if you are not yet subscribed and these videos are of interest to you, go ahead and be sure to hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos. Alright, if you watch my channel for any length of time, you know I love Estee Lauder. I think their lipsticks are amazing. I think their eyeliners are amazing. Their lip liners, their foundation, I love it. It's probably the number one, it is the number one brand that I use consistently. So I get really excited when they come up with new things or new kits. And so I was really excited when these Lady Luck High Roller kits came out. They're so gorgeous, so pretty. So let me go ahead and show them to you, and then I will go ahead and show you the swatches and show you how I created the look that I'm wearing today. Let me first show you the packaging for the eyes and lips. This is the High Roller Nude Lips. It is done with this gold, and then it almost looks like an embossing, so it has this glitter that's in rose gold, so gorgeous. And then it has the gold logo here that says Estee Lauder, and it's magnetized, so you open it up and bam, look at that shine. It comes with 2 full sizes and then a travel size lip liner. So you have your, this is a limited edition color. You can see that's beautiful rose gold, kind of a pinky, yeah, rose gold. And then you have your Pure Color Envy liquid lip color in Naked Ambition. And then the Double Wear Stay in Place lip pencil, which is in Nude. Then the next one, I'm going to go in more detail with these. The next one, oh my god, this is so beautiful. So this one's all done in red, so it has the gold around each of the suits of a card. So your hearts, your clubs, your diamonds, and then it has the red glitter, and when you open it up, again, limited edition, this is the red, and this is called Lady Luck Red Lips. So you have your lipstick, sculpting lipstick bold face, the liquid lip in lava flow, and then the lip liner in red. The price on these is $30. One lipstick is $30, $30 to $35 depending on where you get it. One lipstick, so you're getting a full-size lipstick, full-size liquid lip, and a travel size lip liner. Next is the eyeshadow, and I can't remember if they have 2 or if they have 3. I chose the neutral palette, just kind of girl I am. And this one is the Lady Luck Shimmering Eyes, so it's done in this beautiful chocolate brown and rose gold. And then when you open it up, it is the Nude collection. My fingerprints are on the mirror because I've already been playing with this, but I have not touched the Sumptuous Knockout Mascara or the eyeliner in Coffee. I own these, so I just use these so that I could put these in a giveaway. So let me go ahead, and we have the Sumptuous Knockout in Extreme Black for the mascara. We have the full-size eyeshadow and face palette, so you could use it both ways. You can use this as a bronzer, this right here, as a bronzer or as an eyeshadow. And then we have the eyeliner in Coffee, which is the only eyeliner that I use. I use browns. I shouldn't say it's the only, but 90% of the time I'm probably using Estee Lauder's Coffee. And then they came out with the Estee Lauder lip kit, lip gloss kit. So how beautiful is this? This one, I bought one and opened it and have been playing with it, and I will show you the video of that. And this is only $35. $35! It's craziness! The value of this is like 60 bucks. So, and what's great about this is it literally has a red, a pink, it has a dark brown, and then it has 2 lighter brown shades coppery shades. So basically every lip gloss that you possibly could need. Let's go ahead and try out some of these beautiful Estee Lauder kits. So this one is the eye kit. It's got the transition, it's got a highlight, and it's got you know, a crease color as well to darken up that crease. So what I'm going to do is take a nice little flat brush. I'm going to go in with this little color right here. So we're going to put that all over the lid. And we're going to take this really nice transition color and high above the brow bone. I'm going to take that darker color right here. This is just a perfect little trio. Know I'm all about this shimmer, so I'm going to take, this is by Estee Lauder, and they sell these beautiful shimmers. This one is in Cheeky Pink, so I'm just going to take a little bit of this little shimmer and just pop it on the eyelid. Coffee is one of my favorites if you have blue eyes. This is such a gorgeous color. And if you like just a little, you know, you don't want something so dark, let me just show you the color here. It's a really nice chocolatey brown, absolutely beautiful. I put it in my upper waterline. And then we're going to use a little Sumptuous Knockout. I'm not even going to put primer. We have the eye look. Now I'm going to put a little bit of concealer. This is Estee Lauder Double Wear in the color Light Neutral. Little dampened beauty blender. I'm going to take that dark color and just hit the outer portion of my eye. That medium color and go along the rest of the eye. Pinky cheek, and I'm just going to hit the inner corner. Tarte the inner rim liner. And what this does is two things. It cleans up any of the transfer from the eyeliner, and it also brightens the eyes. And then we'll take the Sumptuous Knockout and we'll just do our lower lashes. Okay, so the eyes are done. Now time for lips. Okay, so go ahead and go through the colors and show you right here the swatches and that I did. So let's go ahead and we'll go through the colors. So this is Seductive Honey, and then we have Wild Mink, which these are two beautiful brown coppery shades that are really pretty. Then we have Red Violet here, and then we have a Suggestive Kiss, which is a pink, and then we have Fiery Almond. So what's great about this kit, especially for $35, is you've got your dark browns, your lighter coppery tones, you have a pink, and you have a red. So basically every color lip gloss you could want. So they're beautiful. I'm going to tell you, they don't have that gloppy feel to them, but they are a light lip gloss, so something that you might want to use as a topper, or if you are the type of person that just likes a little bit of pigment, those are perfect. All right, let's go ahead and try out the Nude Kit here. Beautiful gift, and what's mind-blowing is they're $34 for the kit, and one lipstick is like $30. I think it's $30. 30 or $35, I can't remember. So this is their typical packaging. This was, for instance, their breast cancer awareness packaging, and now look how beautiful this is. It's a rose gold packaging. So each kit is going to have different packaging, so limited edition packaging, which is gorgeous. This is the Double Wear Stay in Place lip pencil. I love their lip liners as well. This is in the color Nude, I think it is. Yes. I have not tried their liquid lips before, so kind of excited about that. This is Naked Ambition. Has a doe foot applicator. Oh, I love their colors so much. And there it is there. And there is Impulsive. So let's go ahead and go in with Naked Ambition. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Smells delicious, by the way. And then I'm going to go in and I'm just going to, right in the center, go in with Impulsive. This is the High Roller Nude Lips. Very, very pretty. Now let's go ahead and I'm going to take this off and we'll go ahead and try the red. How pretty is this? So this is Lady Luck. Okay, now you can see the red. How gorgeous is this packaging? So it's this beautiful fiery red and then the gold. So pretty. And we're going to go ahead and line our lips with red. This is the lip liner in red. Now we're going to do Lava Flow, which is this orangey red. And there's Bold Face. Gorge. I will try this one, but it has orange in it. It's probably not going to be my color. So, but, you know, hey. Oh, yeah, no. It's actually not bad. It has a hint of orange to it, which is not my cup of tea. So let's take this off. All right, I will be right back. Let me just finish up my face here. I'll be right back and I'll let you know my thoughts. So that's it for my review of the Estee Lauder Lady Luck High Roller Kits. Oh my God, they're so cute. Like, I seriously love these. These would make a awesome present. So my thoughts. Love the Color Envy Sculpted Lipstick. You know, I've got tons of colors. I think that the one, I think this red here is beautiful. I'm not a fan of the liquid lip. It's a little too orange for me, but the formula is really beautiful and it smells really good. And the lip pencil in red, phenomenal. You won't need another red. It's just so perfect. And then in the nude collection, it's the opposite for me. I think the liquid lip is just this beautiful color, and then the Ambition, which is the lip stick, is a little bit too on the peachy side for me. You can see it here. So it's just a little bit too peachy for my liking. And the nude pencil is good. I mean, I love their, like, the quality. When they're long wearing, they stay on like there's no tomorrow. So you're definitely, like, I could sit here and rub and rub and rub. Lip liners are truly long wearing. They don't move. They help any lipstick not bleed into your fine lines. They're just beautiful. Now, as far as the eye kit, again, this is my favorite my favorite eyeliner in coffee, so I think that's great, especially if you have blue eyes or green eyes. It's just beautiful. Or if you don't like wearing, you know, black is too harsh, this coffee color is beautiful. Sumptuous Knockout is a good mascara. Is it my favorite mascara? No, no, it's not, but it's a good one. And then this here, this little trio palette, they call it a face palette. Fair skinned as I am, you could use this as a bronzer. Otherwise, I think it makes a perfect trio for a neutral eye look. Now, I did, you know, I'm a girl that likes shimmer. I don't care what day of the week it is. So I did use the Cheeky Pink in the shimmer here. It's one of my favorite colors. You guys have seen that before. Now let's talk about the lip glosses. I like all of the browns. And the pink, I think the red was not as pigmented as I would like in a lip gloss, but that's just me. All right, so that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the review of the High Roller Lady Luck kits from Estee Lauder. I think they're gonna make such pretty gifts. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.